boy. What do you think of the sand? Huh?
Ethan.
Watch him. Look at him, babe. He's loving it.
He would love a sand box.
Oh. What do you think of the sand, Ethan? Huh? What is this substance? Look at it. What is this substance in my hands? He's loving it. Oh, he loves it.
Look at that. Janelle,
Oh,
be
you sweet boy.
careful. Be careful around him because you don't want to stand with your feet.
Yeah.
Hi, face. Look
You like to feel it falling through your fingers? Go over and play with Genoa.
Oh, look at Janelle, be very, very careful. Don't throw any sand up, honey. You don't want it to go on his eyes. Okay?